I'll bet, I can promise you that I can predict what will happen to you at least once. You'll hook up a validation control, you'll set all the properties, you'll run the page, and no validation occurs. This always happens to every ASP.NET developer. Okay, it happens to me at least. The problem is, unless you remember to set the control to validate property, nothing's going to happen. I can't tell you how many times I've laid out a complex validation and just forgot to set that one property. Make sure you set the control to validate property or no validation occurs. In addition, make sure you understand the usage of the type property in the range validator and the compare validator. Without setting the type property correctly, you'll never be able to validate data right. For example, if you set the type property to string and attempt to validate dates, it's going to be difficult to compare one date to another, for example, because the control will perform an alphabetic comparison as opposed to a date-wise comparison. So the type property becomes extremely important when using the range or compare validators.